Next, install the operation panel and connect the wires at the back. In the first step, there will be an independent number identification on each corresponding to the number 1 in each independent number hole M here. Number 2, right here. Mark 3, right here. Mark 4 is aligned here. 0.5 is aligned here. And Mark 0.5 is installed. Firstly, lock and screw the fixing screw with a cross screwdriver. Mark 6 is installed here. And Mark 7 is installed here. Sign 9 is installed here. Sign 8 is installed here. Mark now 10, where the optical fiber is installed. The now 16 sign is installed here. Mark now 12 remove the set screw with a screwdriver. "12" logo installed here. Number 14 installed here. After installation, use a small Phillips screwdriver to tighten the set screw. Number 18 installed here. Number 17 installed here. Number 15 installed here. Number 20 installed here. Number 19 installed here. Number 21 installed here. Sign.21 sign is installed here. Lock with a Phillips screwdriver. "22" logo installed here. The now 23 sign is installed here. The now 24 logo is installed here. Number 13 installed here. Number 25 installed here. After the dense plate wire is installed,